MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
The XYZ SLX range is a hugely popular range of machines certainly in the UK market. Martin, you're going to talk me through today some of the reasons why that is. To start with, let's talk about the general spec of the machine and what it actually is.
Okay, this particular machine is a 1630, so this will give you a 400mm swing, 760 between centres.
Okay, it's a semi-CNC lathe, but well, I shouldn't say semi-CNC because
No.
there's a full CNC lathe as well.
Yeah, you've got full CNC in there.
Let's dive straight into that. Prototrack, how simple is it and what can it do?
Well, this is where we come into things. We have listened to what the manual machinist does, watched what they do, and we've tried to make their life as easy as we can. You know, these manual machinists, they do very simple operations, but they can get very complicated with their operations as well. And we wanted a control that could suit everybody.
Okay, I'm a manual machinist. I've turned up here today and I want you to now show me, that fear factor. I want you to take that away. I'm not going to be scared about going into this type of control technology.
Yeah, absolutely. What I'll do is I'll show you something simple, like putting a chamfer on a component. It's not a full program. We don't want to write a program for that. Typically, you would put on a form tool and set that up in there, do a little bit of docking, get it right, and machine it. On the Prototrack, we've given you a nice simple operation to make that even quicker.
All right, take us through stage by stage.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so all we do, we switch the spindle on, and we'll go through to the beginning. All we need to do is just go to the start where we want our chamfer. Okay, nice and simply, and we say we want to put a taper on. It'll default to 45 degrees for us, which is typically your chamfer. Okay, we acknowledge it's 45 degrees, and now what we do, we just simply turn the one handle, and we have ourselves a chamfer.
So that's move both, call it axes, in just by turning one handle?
Absolutely, yeah.
And does that apply to other sort of turning diameters, drilling?
Yeah, absolutely. We can do that with everything, even the program. So you can write your full program, very complicated program. You're not confident as a manual machinist. This is your first time on a CNC, and we've got a facility we call tracking. And that basically, you run through the whole program by turning that one hand wheel, and it will follow the program through, leaving you in control of that machining operation.
Is this pretty unique to XYZ?
I believe so. It's one of our more popular features, and it's certainly something I would use on every machine.
Okay, now, kind of putting you on the spot a bit really then. You sell a lot of these machines. What's the reason that you sell them? Is it because of the control that you've just kind of briefly demonstrated, or is it because of the machine?
It's both, to be honest. Don't get me wrong, the control is really very good and very simplistic for all those operators out there. But we have spent a lot of time on our machine tools as well to give everyone the size and the capacity of machine they want. We wanted to keep things rigid. We know that when you're doing one-offs, you don't know whether you're doing aluminium, whether you're doing exotic materials, titanium. So we wanted to give you a machine tool that could do everything.
Did you say one of 7 models?
Yes.
So this is the smallest?
Yeah, this is the smallest model in the range, and we go up through to a 555 by 3 metre machine as well. Okay,
we've talked about the simple side of the programming, that aspect. Let's say my foreman comes up to me in the machine shop and he now says to me, right, I'm going to give you something a little bit more testing, a little bit more difficult, maybe 30 off or 40 off. Can I use this from a CNC perspective, and how easy is that?
Absolutely. You can do as many as you like on the machine. Typically we say this is for a low batch production, one-offs, 5-offs, that sort of thing. But if you want to prove a batch run on this machine, yeah, of course you can. We can even put a 4-way automatic indexer on there for you, so it's more of a CNC that way.
Right, so you can take the tool post off and go for a turret?
Absolutely.
Okay, so this is one of 7 models within the range. It's a brilliant facility here. I'm assuming you carry them in stock?
Absolutely, everything's carried in stock, so machines are available from next day delivery almost.
Brilliant, thank you very much, Martin.
No problem.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.